Hi, I'm Putco Pat, and today I'm going to show you how to install our new Luminix sequential taillight on our JK Jeep Wrangler. This is a simple plug-and-play solution that only requires the use of a screwdriver. Let's get started. First, we'll remove the factory taillight. There are two screws holding it in place. Next, we'll unplug the factory harness. Make sure you grab the passenger side Luminix taillight. There is a cable that goes to the driver's side taillight. Make sure you feed this through a hole that's found in the bottom of this cavity. You might have to move some expanding foam out of the way. Plug in the wiring harness. Replace the two screws. We've completed the installation on the passenger side and repeated the process on the driver's side. We then connected the two connector cables that link the two taillights underneath the bumper. We zip tied it underneath the bumper and took care to avoid the exhaust. Now we have completed the installation of our Luminix sequential taillight. Enjoy!